Late-stage biotechnology company developing next-generation vaccines for serious infectious diseases Novavax Incorporated and Takeda Pharmaceutical Company Limited announced a partnership for the development, manufacturing and commercialization of NVX CoV2373, Novavax COVID-19 vaccine candidate, in Japan. NVX CoV2373 is a stable, prefusion protein made using Novavax recombinant protein nanoparticle technology and includes Novavax proprietary matrix M adjuvant. Takeda will receive funding from the government of Japan's Ministry of Health, Labor and Welfare to support the technology transfer, establishment of infrastructure and scale-up of manufacturing. Takeda anticipates the capacity to manufacture over 250 million doses of the COVID-19 vaccine per year. Novavax and Takeda are partnering on manufacturing, clinical development and regulatory activities in Japan. Novavax will license and transfer manufacturing technologies to enable Takeda to manufacture the vaccine antigen and will supply the matrix M adjuvant to Takeda. Takeda will be responsible for regulatory submission to the MHLW and will produce and distribute NVX CoV2373 in Japan. NVX CoV2373 is a vaccine candidate engineered from the genetic sequence of SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19 disease. NVX CoV2373 was created using Novavax recombinant nanoparticle technology to generate antigen derived from the coronavirus spike S protein and contains Novavax patented saponin-based matrix M adjuvant to enhance the immune response and stimulate high levels of neutralizing antibodies. In preclinical trials, NVX CoV2373 demonstrated indication of antibodies that block binding of spike protein to receptors targeted by the virus, a critical aspect for effective vaccine protection. In its Phase 1 data of the Phase half clinical trial, NVX CoV2373 was generally well tolerated and elicited robust antibody responses numerically superior to that seen in a human convalescent sera. Novavax was awarded $1.6 billion by the federal government as part of Operation Warp Speed, a U.S. government program to deliver millions of doses of a safe, effective vaccine for COVID-19 to the U.S. population. The OWS funding is being used by Novavax to complete late-stage clinical development, including a pivotal Phase 3 clinical trial, establish large-scale manufacturing, and deliver 100 million doses of NVX CoV2373 beginning as early as late 2020. The Coalition for Epidemic Preparedness Innovations is also investing up to $388 million, and Department of Defense is investing up to $60 million of funding to advance clinical development of NVX CoV2373.